Good morning, children. Today we will continue the second part of lesson number 7. Ria's train got late. Ria was sitting near the window with her eyes closed. Suddenly, Ria heard the sound of the moving train changed. Kud, 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 kud. Ria opened her eyes. Yes, children, Ria was sitting near the window with her eyes closed. The train was crossing over a big river on a long bridge. Ria's mother said, "It is a bridge of Narmada River." Narmada River is the biggest river of Gujarat. Its water is given to far away areas through canal. Children, do you know what is canal? Listen carefully. Canals are artificial waterways that are built by people and used for irrigation and travel. Yes, canals are artificial waterways built by people and used for irrigation and travel. What is irrigation? The supply of water to land or crops to help growth. The supply of water to land or crops to help growth. Okay. Narmada River is also known as lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Narmada River which supply water to hundreds of farmers all over India. That is why it is also known as lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Understood? Yes, children, Narmada River is the biggest river of Gujarat and its water is given to far away areas through canal. Yes, Narmada River's water is given to far away areas through canal. After a while, another two bridges were seen. Small vehicles were passing through it. Ria's father told the first bridge is called Golden Bridge. It is a very old and strong bridge. Golden Bridge connects Ankleshwar to Bharuch in the Gujarat state of Western India. Yes, Golden Bridge connect Ankleshwar to Bharuch in the Gujarat state of Western India. Okay. The another bridge beside it is built over river Narmada. It is known as the biggest cable bridge of India. Yes, cable bridge of India. Though it is summer, the river was full of water. Some fishermen were seen spreading nets sailing in their boat. The bridge was long, so Ria and Himangsh enjoyed watching surroundings. Ria's father told, "Our train passed through the bridges of Sabarmati, Patrak, Mahisagar and Vishamitri while Ria and Himangsh were sleeping. Now bridge of Tapti river near Surat will come, so don't miss to see it." It was delightful to see the scene outside the windows. Fields full of green crops were visible near riverbank area. In some field there was farming of bananas. Green trees are seen all around. The breeze was very cool. Ria had never experienced this type of cool breeze in Gandhidham. They were busy in observing the scenes when Mama's called on my mother's mobile. Yes, Ria's Mama's called on her mother's mobile. Ria's Mama was coming to the railway station to pick them up. So Ria's mother told that their train was 2 hours late and they will reach at 10:25 instead of 8:25. Yes, their train was 2 hours late. Let's discuss about different rivers of Gujarat. Different rivers of Gujarat are Narmada, Sabarmati, Mahi, Tapti, Damanganga, Purna, etc. Children, did you hear the word dams? Dams are built on the rivers so that the water in the river can be controlled. Dams help to store water when we need it and help prevent droughts and floods. Yes, children, dams are usually constructed to store water in reservoir, which is used for a variety of applications such as irrigation and municipal water. Yes, children, let's discuss some question answers. Why should a bridge be built over river? Yes, bridges allow people or vehicles to cross from one side to another. Yes, bridges allow people or vehicles to cross from one side to another. To make travel easy for people at all time, bridges are built over rivers. Okay. From which rivers bridge did Riya's train pass? Riya's train passed over the bridges over the rivers Sabarmati, Vatrak, Mahisagar, Narmada and Tapi. Yes, children, Riya's train was passing through one big city. On the way, there were many bridges of railways. On both sides of railway tracks, big buildings and markets were seen. Riya's father said that it is Surat city. This city is famous for its diamond business and textile business in the whole world. Yes, Surat is the second big city of Gujarat after Ahmedabad. Train stopped when Surat station came. Yes, Surat city is famous for its diamond business and textile business. And this is the second big city of Gujarat after Ahmedabad. Okay, children? Many passengers were moving on the platform. People wearing different dresses were seen. Some women had worn sari like dhoti, while some men had wrapped white dhoti like lungi. Some people's language was also different. Riya's father said, people of different states have settled here for business. That's why people wearing different dresses have been seen. Yes, children, these are the different type of culture that we get to see even in the same state. In Gujarat, different culture, language, eating habits, dressing style, everything is different. Riya's father brought Sutharfeni and Gari, which are the famous seeds of Surat. The train halted for 5 minutes and then moved. Riya's father told, get ready, Vapi would come soon after Navsari and Valsad. We would reach Vapi within an hour. Okay? Riya's mother informed Mama by phone that their train would reach Vapi within an hour. Himaksh and Riya were happy to reach at Mama's home. Their train was going to reach Vapi, where they have to go down. Okay? Mama called that they had reached the station to pick us up. Riya's mama reached the station to pick them up. Yes, Riya's journey was long, but Himaksh and Riya enjoyed a lot. Yes, children, Riya's journey was long, but Riya and Himangsh enjoyed a lot. Okay. Yes, children, wrapping up her diary, Riya said that their journey was long but they enjoyed a lot. Now, Riya penning off her diary, Riya will continue her writing after she reached Mama's house. Okay, children? Children, this is the picture of tunnel. Rock tunnels are built through rocks and mountains. Railway tracks passing through tunnels. A tunnel is an underground passing way dug through the surrounding soil or rock enclosed, except for entrance and exit. Tunnels are underground passage used for transport. Children, let's discuss some question answer in our textbook. Why should a bridge be built over river? To make travel easy for people at all time, bridges are built over rivers. Tell me which rivers are there in our area? Yes, Tapti River. Yes, Cable Bridge Surat is a cable-stayed bridge over Tapti River that connect Atwa and Adajan area of Surat. Children, what did you see around the bridges? The bridge started. We saw a few huts next to the river. We saw temples on the banks of the rivers and lush green trees in the surrounding area. From which river's bridge did Riya's train pass? Tell me. Yes, Riya's train passed over the bridges over river Sabarmati, Vatrak, Mahisagar, Narmada, Tapi, etc. What kind of dresses wearing people you seen? Yes, children, in Punjab, women wear Punjabi dress and dupatta. The men wear koti and pajamas. The women of Kutch wear petticoat with a huge blouse, etc. Which different language speaking people have you heard except Gujarat? Yes, Hindi, English, Bengali, Marathi, Urdu and Punjabi. From which station did Riya's train pass? Riya's train had passed Sankhiyali from Gandhidham and then Ahmedabad, Nadiyad, Vadodara, Surat, Navsari, Valsad and Vapi. Children, you know, in Maharashtra, women wear saris just like a dhoti. Men wear pehran and dhoti. They wear cap on their head. You know, children, the women in Tamil Nadu wear saris, blouses and petticoats. The men wear pehran and a white dhoti like a lungi to cover themselves from the waist down. Children, which different languages speaking people have you heard except Gujarati? Apart from Gujarati, the other language people speaking are Hindi, English, Bengali, Marathi, Urdu, Punjabi, etc. Discuss the water and electricity supplied in the train carriage. Water is filled in each coach at the station from where the train starts. And this water is used by passengers in the bathrooms, toilets and to wash their hands and face. For electricity, there is the facility of generators on every train. Lights and fans run due to these generators. Okay. Children, imagine that you are going for a long journey. Which things will you carry with you to pass your time? Yes, you have to take some indoor games such as snakes and ladders, chess, ludo, playing cards, storybooks, etc. Children, please refer page number 57, work done by the serviceman. Ticket vendor sells ticket for all type of train journeys and platform tickets. Porter or coolie. A porter carries passengers' luggage and help them. Sweeper keeps the railway platform and the train clean. Railway guard travels in the large special coach of the train. He shows the green flag or signals with a green light for the train to move on. He is the train in charge. Railway police protect the railways and the passengers. Ticket checker checks passengers' ticket and confirms them. He fines or punishes the passengers that are traveling without a ticket. Engine driver drives the train. Okay, understood? Children, listen to me carefully. Some railway safety tips. Trains can come from either direction at any time and can be very quiet. Never sit on the edge of a station platform. Stand away from the platform edge. Be careful getting on and off the train. Crossing the tracks anywhere else is dangerous and illegal. Okay, children, I think all of you understood the lesson. You should read textbook properly and learn question answers. Okay, children, take care. Bye.